so your dad picked you up and dropped you off? Does he
That
always do
is
that?
so satisfying, guys. So satisfying.
My mom takes me back there. But that
Zoom out on me. Yeah, we both had unicorns, but mine, I don't know what happened to him. You guys cannot say this line. Mine get a horse. Oh my gosh, my freaking game. You know, if you guys seen Hotel Transylvania before, this line is kind of like blobbery. Yes, that's the guy. The little green guy is so cute. Maybe we should make a little green, like a pink little girl like this. Yeah. This is Robin's girlfriend, guys. Okay, a beat today, why not? Why not?
Okay, my cheese melted. Finally. I did it all. I didn't taste the cheese.
Guys, I'm making a portrait of the unicorn. I'm about to make a big circle. Okay. Wait, look. Little pieces even big. Can you guys see my face? I can't see my face too.